Hi kitchen friends! Welcome again to another easy and simple way of cooking here in Juls Flavor Bliss. And in this episode, I'll be sharing with you my recipe for Shiitake Pork Medley. So come on, join me in my kitchen and cook along with me. And here are the ingredients. Now we will heat the pan and let's pour in the cooking oil. When the oil is hot, let's add in the pork. At this point, we have to sear the meat. This is the searing method. We are searing the meat in order to trap all the juice and all the flavors inside the meat by simply toasting the meat into a hot oil. And by this method, the meat will be soft and juicy. And by now, we'll add a little salt to it. And continue mixing it until the meat is slightly brown but not over brown. Then set it aside. First, we have to saute the garlic. We have to cook it but not overcooking it. Add onions. And then all of our mushroom. Get ready with our carrots. Then we'll add the water from the shiitake mushroom that we soaked earlier. Now it's time to add the oyster sauce. And at this very point, we'll be adding the meat. We will add a little breadcrumbs just to thicken it. And then garnish it with some onion leeks. Then season it with a little patis or fish sauce. Then we'll just continue to simmer it to thicken some more the sauce. And voila! Tara, this is our shiitake pork mushroom. So easy yet so flavorful and so yummy. I hope you will try our very own shiitake pork mushroom. And for more easy recipes, please don't forget to subscribe. And I've got a lot more in store for you. So until next Wednesday, for more easy and yummy recipes only in Juls Flavor Bliss. Thanks. Stay safe. God bless. Bye.